I learned a technique on marimba that changed how I think about playing the tenor drums. Stevens described the technique as shifting, and it can help with playing zone accuracy and speed. Drumming with a straight downward motion improves sound quality, rebound, and playing zone accuracy, making it easier to play with more control and consistency. This is easy to do when playing on one drum, but how do you move around the drums without slicing? To properly shift from one drum to another, we need to time the shift with the rebound. Shifting after the downstroke and before the rebound will slow you down a lot. That's because you end up playing both the downstroke and manually lifting the upstroke instead of letting the rebound lift the stick for you. That's like dribbling a ball like this. But if we shift playing zones after the rebound, you'll waste time moving from one drum to the next and create slicing strokes. That's like dribbling a ball like this. By timing the shift with the rebound, we save time and energy moving around the drums. You can practice this shifting motion with an exercise called rebound. Play the rhythm slowly, one hand at a time, switching drums as fast as possible during the rebound of each note. Just make sure your forearms down to your fingertips controls the vertical motion and your elbow and above controls the shifting motion. Once you get that down, try practicing rebound with both hands playing double stops at the same time, shifting as quickly as possible. Or get extra fancy with crossovers, practicing right hand on top, left hand on top, or alternating which hand is on top. Just make sure to practice with both fulcrum crossovers and wrist over wrist crossovers using proper playing zones. This playlist has videos that talks about proper playing zones and crossover techniques, and this playlist has play-alongs that you can use to practice rebound. But my YouTube channel's home tab has thousands more free exercises and drumming tips. Use the timestamps in the description to jump to a specific BPM or drumming tip.